Brianna's prom day, and I'm about to apply her wig. It's the first time she's gonna wear a wig. This is what I'm putting on her. She got a very extravagant gown. It's so gorgeous, but we're gonna see that in a few. This is kind of like a get ready with me / vlog style. I'm just kind of showing you guys the whole process of the glow up here for prom day. Yes, and welcome back to my channel again. Yes, so you guys know the drill. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. So guys, if you need a detail like tutorial on all of this, I'll link them down below, like how to apply a wig, you know, basics of makeup, stuff like that. So check out my description box. All right, so let's just listen to some music and run through these portions of the glow up.
Oh na na, oh na na, hey, oh na na, oh na na.
I tell them all the time that I'm not your little friend. You got a million bitches like they following the trend. You get away with murder, so you killing me again. Well, with every beginning comes a end. They tell me why, oh why do I do this to myself?
Tell me what the fuck is up? Why you had to fuck it up? Heard you got a new man. I might have to fuck him up. Girl, you know it up. I hit that shit like uppercuts. Ooh, ooh. Girl, I'm stuck on you like glue. Cause can't nobody do it like you. Now all I do is think about you. Now all I do is think about you. Why you always think I'm running games? You say I'm like them other niggas. We are not the same, no. Girl, the way you do me is a shame. You know with these souls like you know with a lame. Get up my vibe, I don't need that. My vibe, I don't need that. If you get up my vibe, you can keep that. Get up my vibe.
Feeling themselves, guys. Oh, their besties, by the way. So I did both their makeup. Shami did this one here. Oh, yes.